Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Now, you see a video running while I'm speaking. It's this guy. He is the nastiest young man on the planet. I think he lost a screw because he left everywhere. Now, he could go to the bush, go anywhere and do this, but guess what he did? He went on the neighbor's roof and took a dump. Now, somebody caught him and they videotaped it and they were like, DWADY BWOY is the nastiest person. It's very hilarious, but it is also sad. This young man needs help. Yo, what's really crazy, he just took a dump. Obviously, he didn't wipe. And then he's sagging his pants, jumping from one roof to the next roof. The lady in the background whose roof he took the dump on said, "You better fly away with it." She was like, "Jesus Christ, me have to go wash it off." No. Yeah, it was hilarious, crazy. You know, I just wanted to share this with y'all. And remember, we have the Sea View Part 2 Soviet thing coming up. And also, I had another disturbing video with a young lady. You know, she's not here no more. And I'm debating how I could bring that video out. But it's a really disturbing video. But anyways, yeah, this dude here is the nastiest young man on the planet and in Jamaica. My name is Countryman. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and I'll keep the fire burning. Silent. Big up yourself.
Shit pan the woman now stop. Look how your boy nasty, could it? DWADY BWOY. Nasty your blood clot. Watch your face. Left for we a piece card that go shit pan the woman now stop. Blood clot nasty like. Watch it. You? Watch him. Watch him. Don't dash you nobody can bitch pan boy, you know. Can't go bury it. DWADY BWOY nasty. Shit pan the woman now stop. Look how your boy nasty, could it? DWADY BWOY. Nasty your blood clot. Watch your face. Left for we a piece card that go shit pan the woman now stop. Blood clot nasty like. Watch it. You? Watch him. Watch him. Don't dash you nobody can bitch pan boy, you know. Can't go bury it. DWADY BWOY nasty.